In this video, I'm going to teach you how to change your email on Pocket option quickly and safely. If you recently updated your contact details or want to secure your account, updating your email is an important step. Let me show you how to request the change directly from the support section. Let's get started. First, click your profile icon at the top right corner of the Pocket option dashboard. This will open a drop-down with several settings and account options. Then, in the drop-down, choose Support to access the Help Center. This is where you can create a request or find answers to your questions. Next, click Create a new support request. It will take you to a page where you can submit your concern. You'll need to be signed in to access this feature. After that, in the search bar, type email and select the article titled How to Change My Account Email from the results. This guide outlines the process clearly. And finally, you'll see a word highlighted as here in the article. Just click it and follow the prompts for email change and verification. Make sure to have access to both your old and new email for security purposes. And that's how you change your email on Pocket option. If you found this helpful, give it a thumbs up and subscribe to How to Tutor for more simple tutorials like this. See you next time!